about your three-pointer that broke the last level at 3-1. What can you say?
I know I was off pretty much the whole game, but in that last minute, it was just keep shooting, keep my head up. You know, whatever happened in the past can stay in the past. And just keep shooting.
The floor is open.
Hitting that and then following that up with another three to take the lead. Can you talk about how, struggling for most of the game, then hitting that and then having that confidence again to take the shot for the lead?
I mean, as soon as I see the ball going, I just feel like, okay, now I'm in my groove. My confidence is high at that point, and I feel I can shoot anything I want. But I'm not going to do that because coaches get mad. But my first make will always be something to get me going. I think as a shooter, not only speaking for myself, but as soon as you see the ball go in, it's just going to boost your confidence really high. So.
Actually, just to add to that, we're down by 3 points, and I told him, he struggled the whole game. Then I told him, lapitan ko siya, and binulungan ko, sabi ko, if it's wide open, take the shot. And he said yes.
I just follow, anytime, even if you're struggling from the lead.
Great. It was spectacular, but I just want to share the love sometimes, and if I can get an open shot, cool. But if I see a better shot from one of my teammates, I'm gonna give it to them.